the past year, 25 public-private partner water under the Jylla, which is about the forest numbers projected to reach product has doubled. Aims to support farming opportunities. Fish production, one of the focus of
also mark two significant ideals that define India's journey: 150 years of Vande Mataram and the spirit of Janbhagidari. Written by Sri Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in 1875, Vande Mataram became the voice of India.
Ladies and gentlemen, arriving at the saluting tires to take the salute is the Parade Commander, Sri Jingkiew Sujian, followed by the second in command, Rajaji Sangma of the Meghalaya Police. Taking the salute now is the contingent of the Border Security Force, led by Sub-Inspector Rahul. Now is the NCC Girls contingent, led by Senior Under Officer Afshara Thakuri. Ladies and gentlemen, arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is the contingent secondary school, led by Ms. Amik. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause for the tableau of the Tourism Department of the Government of Meghalaya.
And craftsmanship of indigenous communities. The tableau conveys Meghalaya's commitment to promote.
This tableau reflects Meghalaya's commitment to nation building through skill development, innovation, and youth empowerment. An Ajivika Mission Guarantee Act of 2025 is a comprehensive overhaul designed to address
of tribal communities in Meghalaya. Award 2026 for sports is being awarded to Ms. Shillong Dahar. Immense pride for the state and a matter of great honor to recognize one of our distinguished citizens, the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, the chief guest for the State Republic Day function, to kindly felicitate.
Meghalaya has secured third rank in the complaints reduction and deregulation, successfully completing and implementing all the 23 priority areas. To strengthen governance infrastructure, major projects are underway, including new Meghalaya Secretariat, around 3,500 kilometers of roads under PMJSY, covering more than 280 eligible habitation, which were previously uncovered. Undertaking proactive measures to expand air connectivity, strengthening links, and opening new avenues for growth. For expansion of the Umrai Airport runway, the government has purchased 22 acres of land. After the signing of MOU, steps have been taken to operationalize Baljek Airport in Tura, signaling a new phase of regional air mobility. To enhance the urban life and transform our cities into more sustainable and dynamic spaces, the government launched a series of initiatives last year. Recently, 487 vendors were successfully relocated to the Mura shopping complex, and vendors were provided with dedicated kiosks and 20,000 rupees in relocating support. Initiatives to strengthen urban infrastructure across Shillong, Tura and Jylla are progressing rapidly. The government is committed to attract private sector investment through the public-private partnership model to promote growth and provide employment to the youth. The